Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm out in the freezing cold. I'm taking shelter inside the car at the minute. Freezing cold, trying to catch a carp or two. Just got the bread with me, got some creamed corn, that's out as burley. And here we go, hopefully we can get some. Disgustingly cold Canberra day and I'm out fishing. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're on. It's not come up yet. It's weird. Is it a carp or not? Come on, mate. Just take it nice and easy here. There's a couple of submerged rocks with all this rain we've had in Canberra, and don't want to get stuck on or cut off on that, hopefully. There he goes, right to the rocks. As I've said it. Nice, easy drag. So when they kick, there's a bit of give in the line. I'm using pretty light gear. As always. There we go, we've got a surfing carp. Trying not to get my feet wet if I can avoid it. Come on. There we go. Beached as. I'm gonna call it, yeah, 55 thereabouts. Not small, not big, but pretty lazy. There's the 3 essential tools for carp fishermen. Pliers to pull the hooks, lip grips to move them about a bit more easily and without touching them if you don't want to touch them, and a hammer to put them out of their misery. And there he is. Like I said earlier, I'm going to put him 55-ish, maybe 60. So, you've seen it in all the other videos that I've done on carp. This is all we do. Small pieces of bread, squish them down, flatten them out, and hook through twice with either a running sinker, as light as you can manage, or no sinker at all. whatever's manageable in the conditions that you're fishing. There's my running sinker, pretty heavy sinker actually today. Forgot to bring some sinkers with me. Through once, and if I can find another spot, through twice, just with some hook gape. There you have it. Off we go out here and hope for another one. We've got built-in rod holders at this particular spot, which is great. And that one over there, might need to bring that one back in. It's been out for a bit and bread doesn't stay on too long. Anyway, stay with us and we'll see if we can get another one for you. Alright, new bit of bread on this one. And out we go again, and fingers crossed. Just there, and built-in rod holders to boot. Alright, as I always say, I'll leave my line nice and slack, give the carp a little bit of room to run. Also been joined by some ducks. Big buggers too. So I've just positioned myself across from my rods rather than behind them, just so I can watch the slack in the line, and the line pulls and tugs and get up there and strike them. Hopefully hook them. And also get some sun. I've been here about an hour and a half, got the one fish, not too bad. Not too many line pulls in between, which is a bit disappointing, but nothing better than being outside, relaxing, taking it easy. Just rebaiting. Gone with slightly bigger bait stick this time. Try something different again. Only just the one fish and one bite, so just got to change it up. Well, it's starting to look like one of those days where one is better than none. Gonna probably pack things up pretty shortly. Put in, well, what I reckon is going to be my second last cast on each rod. Wish me luck. Well, the wind's decided to take a little break. Shut up. The wind's decided to take a little break, which is when I caught the first and only fish today. Possibly a good sign, possibly what was needed before, possibly what's needed now. Come on, Carpio. Now, I talk about this in heaps of my videos, but I can see carp bubbles. They've arrived. Now, they will just take one of my bread baits. That would be fantastic. Yes, take it. Yep. We're on. Here we go. I told you, the old carp bubbles. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Now, if we can just get him over here, that'd be nice. Get over here. Oof. It's only a little rod, but this could be a bigger one, I think. Oh no, he's gone and wrapped himself around those reeds, has he? Get back over here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Not good. Could be a bit of a struggle. Could be a bit of a struggle. redirecting him this way is going to be very, very hard. Gonna have to go really slow on this bugger. He's up around the corner of those reeds. There he is, can you see that? Oh boy. Can only hope that he actually swims himself out of those reeds, I think. Otherwise this probably doesn't end too well. Not for me anyway. Well for him. Just going to keep pressure on him and hope. Come on now. Come on now. God damn it. Lost a biggie. Never been dragged into these reeds at this spot, but anyway, there you go. Well, re-rigged another running sinker with a little hook and put it out again. That's real frustrating. I've never been taken into those reeds. I guess it was bound to happen one day. Must have been relatively big fish, because caught some big carp here and I've never been dragged over there. On the same rod as well, small as it is. So, pretty strange. Oh well, we wait again. The one that got away. Never happened to me here, never. So, learned something, I suppose. Don't let them get over to the reeds. Seems obvious, but tighten them up before that. We'll see.
Heading back the other way.
Filthy bastard. Just trying to stop him. I don't want him going anywhere near those reeds this time. Jeez, he's going. He's going. He's not letting him near those reeds this time. He's coming to shore. I don't reckon it's that big actually. He just really went.
He's got his spikes up. Yeah, come back this way.
Get in there. There we go. Phew.
It's bigger than the other one.
Yeah, definitely more golden than...
And like the red?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're on. It's moving now.
As long as he eats it. It's not the duck. So I'm pretty sure it's a fish.
Nah.
Nah.
Okay. That was a solid,
It was taking.
yeah, solid tug.
Damn. Is that the duck though? Again?
No, probably not. It's like the...
Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish.
Nice.
Ew! This one's smaller. He's not as angry. That last one went nuts.
And he's not changing direction, he's just sitting there.
He's actually, yeah, just cruising.
That way.
Maybe when he gets closer, he'll lose his shit. Well, he's not happy now.
Yeah, maybe when he's down deep, they're content, but as soon as you drag them up and they see the light.
Yeah.
Still not changing direction though.
No, he's pretty much just fighting in front of me. It's certainly not as angry as the last one. This cheap drag's really doing well here. Oh, come on, mate.
If there's one thing carp have, it's lots of energy.
Yep.
Do not get tired.
He's just cruising up and down in front of me.
Yeah. He doesn't really know what to do.
Yellow. Well, that was my last cast.
Bloody hell.
He's really confused. He's not going anywhere. He's just in the same spot. Just hanging around in the same spot. I think he might be foul hooked or something. He's coming towards me pretty strangely.
I think he's just
Oh no,
a bit tired.
he's
now.
given up now.
It's good size.
He's not small, but he's not as big as that first one.
Yeah, when they flop around like that, they're just done for.
Finished.
Yeah. You'll see this and you'll go for another.
Oh, he actually is a bit bigger than I thought. Phew!
There we go.
Number 3. Yeah, he's orange coloured.
Is that the biggest one?
Don't know. What is that? It's like a fish per hour, roughly. Or maybe less. No, it's less. Definitely less. But still, fish. 3 of them.
Well, you've caught them all since I've turned up. Just about.
Just about, yeah. The one was just before you got here. 3 lovely carp. Well, here we are. End of another session. Did pretty well. Hope you enjoyed the footage. And I'll catch you on the next one. If you like this stuff, please remember to hit subscribe and leave us a comment below. Cheers. See ya.